really don't want
Good morning, everyone. Today is the last full day here in Iceland. We're starting off our morning with some Dunkin' Donuts, which are right here for us. Some breakfast. We're off to go rent a car to go explore on our own today. We picked a Iceland themed donut. Let's try. Mmm. Delicious.
So sweet.
Alright, we're at the car rental place. This little white car will be ours for the next 24 hours. Nice left-hand drive, automatic. Just how I like it. Are you scared?
Yeah, I am.
And here we go. Whoa!
Please don't do that.
Alright, just made a quick stop on the side of the road. Saw some Icelandic horses behind us, so we stopped to pet them, take some pictures, things like that. Also in the background, over there, one of the volcanoes, not sure which one it is yet, we'll figure that out. And just enjoying the views. And there's Magda petting the horses. Alright, we're at our first stop for this little road trip. This waterfall behind me, which the name is, we'll say right here, because I can't remember or know how to pronounce it. Yeah, it's a pretty impressive waterfall. Stop, take some pictures, gonna wander around. There's some more kind of that way, so we're gonna go take a look. This is the path to get behind the waterfall. It is pure ice. Alright, we are now standing behind the waterfall. I know I'm hard to see because it's dark. You can see the waterfall behind me. We're kind of in like there, you can see me in a cave. The mist is blowing absolutely everywhere. Let's see if it focuses. It's too bright. It won't. It is crazy. Like, look at that. Insane. Alright, after a short little walk from that big waterfall, we came to another little one, which is through this kind of little, I don't know, crack in the rock. So let's go. Try not to fall. Try not to fall in the water. Jesus. Woo. Wow. This is is insane! Woo! Alright, so we're done at our first stop. We're now heading off to Storie Waterfall, as I believe it's called. So that should be the next one. Hopefully we won't get as wet this time.
Continue 650 meters, then turn left on.
Alright, just made another quick stop. We are just outside one of the volcanoes, the one that actually erupted in 2010. It's just right there. The name of it I cannot pronounce. I'm not even going to attempt to, but I'll write it out for you, and good luck. Icelandic, no one can read that. But yeah, we're just at this little visitor center where it talks about how it affected the lives of the peoples that lived in the area, and it's all very, very interesting. Actually, it's crazy the thought of living right, you know, under a live volcano. All right, we're here now at Storie Waterfall. Behind me, just got the camera set up to get some nice pictures. Right now we're pretty far away, so let's move closer. Alright, we're closer now. Not close enough. Let's keep going. Okay, how about this? We're pretty close. Starting to feel the mist. No? Okay, let's go. Alright, we're closer. It's really slippery, it's hard to walk. Am I close enough? Are we close enough?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Alright, I can't get any closer than this without going into the water. Woo, it's cold, it's amazing though. Worth it. Worth walking through this. After the up close and personal with the waterfall, we're now going to go to the top of it, walking up these steps all the way up. Can't really see it, but up to the top anyway. So let's begin, one step at a time. Alright, we made it to the top. Look at that. And then this view, right there. Amazing. Just stopped for a little seat up at the top, just, you know, hanging out, living life on the edge. Just having a quick stop for some lunch. We're still at where the waterfall is. We're just at this restaurant right here. We'll see what it's like.
So bad.
Alright, so we stopped for some food. We are trying Icelandic schnapps, Brennivin, also known as Black Death. Cheers.
It's okay. It burns.
Oh.
My insides.
Well done. Well done, Iceland. Alright, our food has arrived. I got a lamb leg. I have an Arctic char fish.
Yeah.
Let's dig in. at our next and potentially final destination of the day. After a little bit of not following GPS, I found where we're going. We are at the Black Sand Beach. As you can see, the sand is all black everywhere. It is absolutely crazy. It's right on the ocean. Behind me we have a cave. We're gonna head in there shortly. Over on this side, it is hard to see. Nice rock formations, things like that. But, like, look at the sand. It is black. So we're here at the Black Sand Beach. Look at it behind me. Whoa! Whoa! It's crazy. Look at it. Woo! It almost got us. Best way to end the trip, most breathtaking view I've seen. There she goes, driving a left-hand drive automatic car for the first time. See if she can put it in reverse. Good morning, everyone. We are at the airport, half asleep. We were trying to chase the Northern Lights yesterday and failed miserably, so it was a late night. So we're just waiting to board our airplane, just had some breakfast, and heading back to Manchester, unfortunately. So that will be it for these videos. Hope you enjoyed them, and we'll wait till the next trip. One last quick update. The airplane was waiting for us. They called our name, and then we got escorted out onto the runway to walk to the airplane.